sister, her business is True Weight Loss Group, and that's where I get my pellets from. And since November, I have lost 46 pounds. And I'm very excited about this product because I have a goal that I intend to reach, and I know that using this product, I'll be able to reach that goal. Stay tuned because I'll be telling you more, and you can see where I am today and where I'll be from this point forward.
Sasha. I'm a first-time client of the True Weight Loss Group. I'm 38. About 2 years ago, I was diagnosed with diabetes. I couldn't lose weight, so I was recommended by the CEO of True Weight Loss Group about the HCG pellets. I tried it, and on my first go round, that was 21 days, I've lost 19 pounds. It works. Hi, my name is Brenda. I'm a client of the True Weight Loss Group. I have been trying to lose weight for about 2 years and was unable to do so. I was introduced to the HCG pellets. I started on the pellets at the